In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite team members to ClickUp. First, open your browser and head to the ClickUp login page. If you're not signed in yet, choose the sign-in option that works for you. I'll use Continue with Google because it's quick and secure. If your organization uses a different method like email and password or single sign-on, that's perfectly fine. Just log in normally. When prompted, pick the correct account so ClickUp opens to your workspace. Once you're in, look to the upper left corner and click your workspace name. This menu is helpful if you're part of multiple workspaces, so double check you're in the right one before inviting people. From that menu, choose People. This takes you to the area where you manage members, guests, and pending invitations. Now click Invite People. A dialog will open where you can enter your teammates' email addresses. You can paste several at once, and ClickUp will separate them for you. Take a moment to confirm you're inviting the right addresses, especially if your company uses multiple email domains. If someone only needs limited access, it's fine to invite them here too. You'll control their permissions in the next step. Before sending, adjust access using the dropdown. This is where you pick each person's role and default permissions. As a quick guide, admins can manage workspace level settings and members, so reserve that for trusted leaders. Members typically create, edit, and collaborate across tasks and spaces. Guests are great for clients or collaborators who only need access to specific items you share with them. If you see options to set what they can do in certain spaces by default, choose the least privileged level that still lets them get their work done. Also keep in mind that some roles use paid seats, so align your choices with your plan. When everything looks good, click Send Invite. ClickUp will email each person with a secure link to join your workspace. Until they accept, they'll appear as pending in the People section. From here, you can resend an invite, copy the invite link, or remove a pending invite if you made a mistake. After they join, consider adding new teammates to the right spaces, folders, or teams so they immediately see relevant work. If someone says they didn't receive the email, ask them to check spam or promotions, or resend the invite from the People page. That's it. You've successfully invited your team to ClickUp and set the right level of access to keep your workspace organized and secure.